This extraordinary stage will modify your life. And I am not kidding when I say that is one of the most astounding web-based cash making ways I have at any point seen. That is to say, basically by talking, you have the option to bring in cash. How noteworthy is it that we have had simpler ways of crashing cash online before, such as by paying attention to music or tapping on advertisements of things and so forth. I would like to think this stage will be one of the simplest. Also, that assuming you keep on bringing in interest based cash. Quite possibly, you will want to carry on with a less unpleasant life. That is, all things considered, the objective, correct? To work less and acquire more, subsequently, the present methodology will zero in on your voice. What's more, kindly stay with me until the completion of the video to figure out how to set this up appropriately. Coincidentally, don't skirt the video, since you will be sorry you had close to zero insight into this methodology. Since I ensure that assuming you work on it routinely, it will pay you reliably. Let's get back to the video. So today this is the platform that I will be talking about, and it's a legitimate platform because if you look at this right here, you will see all these success stories praising how this platform works and how they can take care of their clients. You can just pick one of these stories to see how voices.com has been assisting these services providers. And yes, this is the platform that I'm talking about, voices.com. So if you go to their homepage right now, you will notice that they have partnered with several prestigious companies like Shopify, Microsoft, Discovery Channel, Hulu, and Los Angeles Times, among many others. This is just another way of proving that this platform is reliable and truly a big-time company. Also, this platform provides a lot of jobs for seeking service providers. These projects range from audio production, music voiceover, translation, and just to name a few. This website is amazing. Thank God for technology, but for the sake of this video, we will be showing you the category in which we can maximize our earning potential a little bit. As I mentioned earlier, today's strategy will focus on our voices. So if you apply for a project and are accepted, you will be supplied with all of the materials that you need to do your task efficiently. You will be given scripts, books, articles, and any other content in general to read and be paid for by minute. To further inspect the page, click on All Services right here. As you can see, this website offers a variety of services under these different categories. There are more subcategories of what you can do in this platform. If you want to learn more about them, simply browse the website and study how voices.com works. However, we won't be trying out everything. Instead, we will concentrate on voiceovers. Another issue that has occurred to me is that what if you don't have a professional sounding microphone? The answer is simple. All you need is a pair of headphones with a microphone, and that should be enough. By the way, you won't even need to show your face for this job. You won't need any social media followings or investments. All you will need is yourself and your voice for ebook videos and the like. They just want people like you to read out some words and record. You won't even need to write the scripts because the client will provide everything. All you have to do now is read and record. Now make sure to stay with me on this because we will be covering how to sign up for this platform right here. Be sure to stay focused this time because we will also cover how to get verified by this website and how to find the best projects for you to maximize your earnings. To join up, go return to the home page and look for a sign up on the top right corner of your screen. When you click it, a tiny page prompt will appear in front of your screen asking for your email. You will also have the option to link your Facebook and Google accounts. On this platform, registration is much easier for you. It will only take a few minutes, but if you choose either of the two, simple enter your email. When you click it, a tiny page prompt will appear in front of your screen asking for your email. You will also have the option to link your Facebook and Google accounts. On this platform, registration is much easier for you. It will only take a few seconds, but if you choose either of the two, simply enter your email address and click continue. After clicking continue, provide them with your full name, spelling it correctly, and a password before ticking the terms of service and privacy policy. Make sure you choose work as a freelancer and then sign up. You will then be given the chance to choose the job category you want to work in. And I will stop you right now because we will be disclosing the possibilities that will offer us the most return on our investment. So the first option in these categories that you should prioritize is audiobooks, which will pay you a lot of money. The second option is explainer videos, which will provide you with the jobs or tasks where you advertise the product that will selling or displaying. And the third option is video games, which will provide you with work voicing video game characters. There are the three areas where we should concentrate our efforts while on this platform ad. Of course, to make more online money in the future. To see what's inside these buttons, let's take a look at them. Let's start with audiobooks. When you click on audiobooks, you will be redirected to this page, where we will see all of the people who are offering their services. To see the jobs that you can actually apply for, click here. After clicking that, you will see all the jobs that are currently available. The only advice I can give you is to find a job where you will be working on their file for at least 45 minutes so that they will pay you a little higher than expected. So have a look at these occupations and see which one you believe you will be able to make money on. Oh, and before I forget, you can also download their app on your mobile device. In my opinion, it would be much easier for you to work on such voiceover projects, because your phone already has a built-in microphone. Overall, this project is suitable for everyone and should be priority for you to try. It has a high return on investment with a little to no work required. So why wait? And that's it. If you have similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.